There's your prisoner. That's exactly where she belongs. You've been bad. You should stay in there. Oh, no door. She can escape.
We just changed our plan. It's because it's been very windy. Right, babe?
Yes, very windy, extremely windy. It's just too windy. If we would open up the tent, it would just been a mess, just blowing over. It was blowing over her phone, knocking over the stand. So that's a no-go.
And
November Oscar, no-go.
No-go.
So, what did we do then? We went to Fort de Soto, which is where we're at, but we actually went to the fort. Ah, that's nice. Look, you got the American flag. So yes, we just went to the fort. Oh, I'm sorry, there's people behind us. I'm driving like an old lady.
So we are going
That's
to
a nice shot right there.
the Fort Museum.
Yes.
Historical place during, is it World War II or Spanish War?
It was during the
War.
Spanish-American War, like 1890. They built it around 1888, somewhere in that area. So the very early 19th century. They built a fort called Fort de Soto. It was built to use in case Florida was attacked at the southern part of St. Pete and Tampa. Very fortunately, we did not have to use this base or this fort. I say very fortunate because all it would have done was people are going to die. So anyways, they built a fort, and we're going to go check it out, take a little bit of videos and some clips, and let you guys have a look at it. It's still standing. It's just remnants of you know, tanks and some of the walls and places where they used to store the armor. That's really about it.
Canon.
Yeah, some cannons, some real old cannons there again that were probably built. The cannons were probably built in like 1850.
Yes,
they're very old.
In some of the rooms that they use.
Sure.
Is there rooms or prison?
Well, they had rooms there. They had a mess hall there. They had dining facilities, shops. None of that's no longer there. The only thing that's there is really the bunker area where the cannons and the you know, the artillery, put it that way, where they had all the artillery at. So
we'll bring you there.
So here you go, guys. This is the beginning of the part of Fort de Soto that we're in. You can see behind my beautiful bride, there's one of the cannons that they would use, again, if there was a war, but there wasn't none. Over here, you can see some of the rooms that they used. So this room here, guys, there you go, coming into focus. This is where they used to store the mortar, all your firearms, any type of ammunition, weapons. Oh, there's somebody there. Let's see who it is. This is just artifacts that are left behind. Here's some information we can read. We'll provide for you. Get that. Go ahead and pause the video at this time, that way you can read. Well.